At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit, my people. May I go start it off like this.
The following is a release from the People's National Party Media Unit.
In 2020, you promised the Jamaican people 70,000 NHT homes by 2025. But after 9 years as Prime Minister, only 14,741 homes have been delivered. And in the current 5-year term, only 7,950 NHT homes have been delivered. So of the 70,000 homes you promised, 10,000 were to be for young people aged 18 to 35, and 30% were to be reserved for public sector workers. You have failed to deliver on both of those promises for young people and public sector workers. You also promised 1,000 social houses per year, yet fewer than 300 have been delivered in 9 years. Another failed promise. Our $1 billion Young Owners Fund will be replenished annually from ending the annual $11.4 billion raid on NHT. And our fund will benefit 2,000 young people per year. That's 10,000 young people who will benefit in our first term in office. The People's National Party has a comprehensive, affordable housing plan to provide real solutions for all Jamaicans when we form the next government. Some of our key initiatives include: 1. Ending the annual $11.4 billion raid of NHT's funds. 2. Building 50,000 affordable homes over the next 5 years. 3. Launching the Young Owners Fund with $1 billion annually from the resources of the NHT, which will offer $500,000 grants to first-time buyers aged up to 35 years and will benefit 10,000 young people over a 5-year period. 4. Introducing our rent-to-own program for those who are not formally employed and can't produce a payslip, and those who don't have sufficient savings to cover a deposit on a house. 5. We will restore public sector workers access to reduced NHT interest rates on borrowings, and we will introduce a higher debt service ratio of 40% to allow public sector workers a bigger mortgage. And we'll also give them a 3-month moratorium before mortgage payments begin after they buy a house. 6. We'll remove the insurance costs for low-income NHT borrowers who earn $30,000 per week or less. And 7. We will exclude the land value from the price of NHT houses, reducing house prices by up to $3 million to contributors. Jamaica deserves better. Call the election, Prime Minister. The people are ready. Time come.
And visit our website at
come under some pressure. You're going to hear all kinds of propaganda. You're going to hear all kinds of lies and deception. There will be tactics used to try and buy you out. There will be tactics used to try and frighten you away. And I only have to say one thing to you tonight, comrades. We are blood and fire comrades. And we're marching on to progress. And we will stand firm. We will not be bought because we are not for sale.
Right, this is Mark Golden. We are not for sale. Anyway, my people, hear this.
So it was just announced that the Prime Minister put the country on election watch. Now, Andrew, I am challenging you to call the election. Call the election. Because we are blood and fire, comrade. Marching to victory. Call it, Andrew. Call it. Power. People, time come now. Time come. Hey, hey.
My wisdom warriors, it's about to go down. Hear this.
Selector, there's no way me could have sit down and you don't play that song. No way me could sit down and you don't play. Because the last time this man running out, he said, nah, sit down until a certain song play. Well, here what tonight. We now come off of the microphone. Selector, run it through.
Pull up, me people. Me say the place they on fire. Brap, 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 brap. Them things that we done, we just a come. Me people here always come out and run off their mouth. But them always forget one thing. But we have to remind them, you know, we there have to refresh their memory. My wisdom warriors, take in this.
Mr. Honest! Sir, come here. We have a few things we need to talk about this morning because I have something to ask you, sir. Because I want to know what's going on with you mentally. Right? Because what do you mean the Jamaica Labour Party don't need an opposition leader? Are you saying that the whole Jamaica supports the Jamaica Labour Party? If so, sir, why don't you call the election? Why don't you call the election? No, man. I see the reason why Desmond Mackenzie had said some months back that the Jamaica Labour Party will not surrender Jamaica to the PNP. I understand it's a thing that you're all sitting down talking about, that Jamaica belongs to the Jamaica Labour Party. You're wrong. Jamaica belongs to the people. By the way, Mr. Holness, who is advising you? Because your advisor wants to shake up a bit. Who are advising you, sir? Something going on with you mentally. Or is it true that your wife is filing for divorce or getting ready to divorce you, sir? Is it true or it's just rumored? Because I don't see she post you for Father's Day, Mr. Holness. Or if she posts you, is where she posts you, sir. Because I don't see she post you for Father's Day. And we all know about the whole heap of mix-up where going in a parliament, say, she as a Madam Speaker, Sarah Matey, come in parliament with Icky. And this is how the whole Icky thing come down to be a problem in the workplace. What's really going on? What is on your mind? What is bothering you? Why you come out and talking this bullshit? Something have to be bothering you. Because I don't see how you can be talking and say such thing that Jamaica Labour Right, the Jamaica Labour Right Party don't need an opposition leader. So you're basically saying that Jamaica is a Labour Right country and we don't need an opposition leader. Mr. Holness, this is giving dictator. This is giving ruling with iron face. This is giving government badness. No, man. Jamaicans, prayer alone can't do it, you know. We have to band together. Them say third term loading and Mr. Honest won't call election, even though from in Easter, I heard a leaked voice note that it was going to be July to August, right? And you, Mr. Robert Barbecue, come talking about Mr. Honest is not going to call the election until the JLP are ready. So y'all say third term loading, so y'all not ready. And this is what I'm not understanding. In COVID, election weren't due, you know. The election weren't due when y'all call election in COVID. And you call election in COVID and it weren't due. And now that the election is due, y'all won't call it out publicly. What is y'all problem? No, man, this gets serious. This gets serious. Boy, this old bangarang will never stop. Mr. Olness, you misplace the Jamaican people's money and do all kind of things and foolishness till you're turning your brains into, I don't even know what to describe your brains. You come talking about Jamaica Labour Party don't need any opposition leader. Listen, you think is the investment money this? You think is the investment money this you're talking about? This is the people. Not because you pull out your little investment where you claim that you have in SSL September 2021. And it was such a coincidence to see that September 2021, the former CEO of FSC also leave. To me, I don't know, but it just looked like you get some inside information, Mr. Olness, that the whole things was collapsing. And decide that you're going to take out your little bit. But still, you leave the NHT money in there and taxpayers add a little money in there. No, listen, you see right now, Mr. Honest, we need to ask you questions and you need to answer. Where we need to come find you. Because you need to answer these questions. Jamaican people with us out here chat up our mouth and we don't see you answering. No press conference ask you, where are all these monies? No press conference ask you about the allegations. No press conference ask you why you chose your friend Dennis Chong to be the head of the FID investigation when you don't have the qualification. Like, no, where we need to see you, we need to ask you questions. And we need answers. No, man, this thing here look like Mr. Honest telling the Jamaican people that we already is a Republican. Are you telling me that Jamaica gone Republican, Mr. Honest, and we don't know? Because if you're saying that the JLP don't need opposition leader, it sounds like we're Republican. No, man. Mr. Honest, Tom drunk but Tom no fool. The way how you deep in the corruption right now, just as well as you just walk away. Walk away, be a corrupted leader. Walk away, be a corrupted leader. Don't walk away in cuffs. You're gonna go to prison. Look at the things you're doing. Number one, the reason why y'all jumping about third term is the oil money. You want to come here. You think we don't know that the oil is here? The over 70 million barrel of oil that we're going to be drilling per day. We know that the oil is here. And you and Mr. Vez hiding it. We know. The British let us know the oil is here, Mr. Olness. And this is why you're holding on and want to get third term, because the smart city that you plan to build for yourself over Bernard Lodge, it need billions to build the smart city. And the only way you can get billions more than what you have is to hide the oil from the Jamaican people. So you can hide and sell it for your own. So you get the money to build up the smart city. We know the oil is here. There's no hiding it. Who knows. We know. You understand? You know how good that is going to be for Jamaica? Huh? We're going to have less problem with electricity. GDP are going to step up. We're going to look good. Hey, listen, Mr. Oles, you need to step away. You not getting the oil money there. Each and every Jamaicans, we are going to benefit off that oil money where you and Darrell Vase hiding. Only some insect, bad egg from insect to this country. Y'all don't want better for the poor people. And if we know about the oil, it's going to make us better. So you try to keep it quiet, Mr. Honest, we know. We know Jamaica is going to be big when we start drill oil, we're going to be bigger than Trinidad and we're going to be bigger than Guyana. And you're hiding this oil situation because you want to go make secret deal. Not a backside. We're on top of things. We're watching you, sir. Jamaicans, we need to go find out if we're going Republic and we don't know. This feel, I'm getting a Republic vibes. It's like, is Jamaica Republic? Because something don't right, something funny is in the air. Mr. Honest look at talk them and holding back the election. Listen, we need to know what's going on and we need answers. And you know what is funny about it? We don't even know where to get the damn answers from because this man not making himself available so we can come ask him some questions. Mr. Honest, where we can come find you, sir? We need answers to many questions. No, man. This cannot be my beautiful Jamaica. This cannot be my beautiful...
My wisdom warriors, I left it, you know. Wanna tell me what you think, wanna tell me how you feel about this. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.
We're not going to false promise. On the things that we are putting back in the office. On the things that we are novice. On the better listen to this. Vote them out cause them not see we when we younger. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them promptly people just vote them out cause them not see we when we younger. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, we have to tell them promptly. Cause when they win them a go dump way. Marky G, you know you the people them really want to see a great leader who will talk to we. Put on the boat and go, they go walk to we. Yes, go march to we. Because we have some guy with them on a intention. Leading the country in the wrong direction. That's why we come to make we own a selection. This we are gonna do when him call the election. Vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when they win them a go dump way. So we are tell them promptly people just vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them